Go.
This is Latin Abroad reporting directly from Frisco, Texas. That's in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. This is my very first snowfall. You probably found out from the other video. As you can see, it's very windy, and the first one was wet snow from what I'm being told by the experts. This is actually more like real snow, like flaky snow. And as you can see, we're having a very white Christmas. Yay! My very first white Christmas. And oh my god, this has been in like what, an hour? It's so much snow. Look at this thing. Woo! Ah! Someone's being sneaky. Who was that? Oh no! You can't hide in the house. You can't hide in the house. That's not fair. Come out and be a fighter.
Oh my gosh.
You're running away. Look at this. Well, from Frisco, Texas, have a wonderful Christmas and a Happy New Year. I hope 2013 brings many more blessings. I love you and see you soon.